Is anybody alive out there? Answer me.
Fighters of the 3rd Brigade come under intense enemy fire with artillery, mortars, and FPV drones after taking enemy positions. If you appreciate the English dubbing and want to continue supporting this channel, you can do that by feeding the algorithm down below.
Chicago, we have a problem. Actually, a bit of a bummer. Some shit is constantly hammering our position. Which direction are they firing from? From every direction. At the risk of sounding like a total noob, but the fire seems to be coming from everywhere at once. What happened to your squad? First they told us to go in, then to pull back. We started taking fire and hit the deck. 2 drones buzzing above. Ah, goddammit. Check on Byron. What's his status? In case you'll have to yomp out of there on your own 2s, check if Byron will be able to walk.
Byron!
The Russians are really good at zeroing in on their own locations, so after the Ukrainians take enemy positions from the Russians usually will immediately start launching artillery and mortars on what was their previous positions.
Byron!
Baldy, get in touch with Byron. He's not going to repeat that, will he? Alrighty then. A matrix drone in front of your position is ours. Shitheads. Azimuth 30. Say again. They must be adjusting fire from the bird. Something from the enemy side flew over into your rear.
He's talking about they must be adjusting fire from the bird. He's talking about the Russians using their own drones to adjust their fire onto the Ukrainians' position. So the drone will be spotting for the artillery or for the mortar teams, and when a round strikes, they'll be giving them a direction and a distance from the rounds to get closer to the Ukrainians' position.
Look at them hammering us. Attention. Our drone above. Ah, hot, hot. Suka. My rump is on fire. Enemy infantry on the ground, 100 meters in front of you. Message received. Ah, fuck, my GP is scorching hot. I'll keep my eyes on them. FPV. Where? Do you see it? Yes. Please, rifle, don't jam on me now. I have a jam.
Shooting down a drone with a rifle is not an easy thing to do. I'm not sure why the Ukrainians don't have amongst their teams somebody with a shotgun with probably birdshot. I've seen it a couple times, not in the team environment here in Ukraine, but I have seen certain individuals using the shotgun on drones, and every time I have seen it, it's been very effective.
It hit the guys over there. Holy shit. Did the dead orc just blow up? Troops, evac transport is heading your way. But you must load in double quick. A bird is right above me. Whose is it? Shit, I think it has a bomb. Dudes, hold your fire. The bird has a bomb. Moros, the bird carries a package. Are you sure it's our bird? If it carries a bomb, shoot it down. Shoot that shit. Suka. Where is it? I can hear you, little turd. The pilots report that the orcs are pulling out of our shelter belt toward a parallel tree line across the railway. Vulik, lob some grenades at them. Fire some VOGs at them. Keep holding defenses. We got eyes in the sky scanning the area.
I believe VOGs is going to be the 40mm grenades.
While they are whacking you with arty, they are prepping for the next assault. Get ready to repel them. Moros, this is Chicago. We've destroyed one of the Russian mortars.
Yes.
But they were shelling you with more than one. So stay frosty and hold on there, guys. Beauty. When they give the signal, we haul all the weapons first. Moros, affirmative. This is our bird hovering above your shelter belt. And then I'll give you my rifle with the GP-25 and you... Ouch. Guys, FPV. Where? There the bitch goes. It hit near us. We're all right. Thank God. What's going on there, FPVs? Moros, get ready. ETA 5 minutes.
That drone actually looked like, they didn't shoot it down, but it looked like it actually was like a kamikaze drone and drove straight into the ground.
Get ready. The box is rolling up. Okay, people, get ready. In 5 minutes, we're getting out of here. Let's get going. I'll be waiting for you over there. Approaching your shelter belt. Be ready, be ready. The Russians are shelling the incoming vehicle. Another FPV. Keep shooting through those bushes. Dudes, our ride is here. Load from the right.
To me, that looks like a very skilled driver of that armored vehicle. For him to be able to come in there that hot and that fast and kind of stop on a dime before running into his own soldiers tells me that he really understands his job and knows what he's doing.
Quickly, quickly, get in. Come on, faster. Wait, more guys are coming. How many? Where are they, ahead or behind? Where are they? They are coming. Where? Where's the group I just dropped? In front of you. Shit. Faster. Where the f are you guys? How many are you? Come on, faster. Dive in on the double. Come on, wait, one more. Come on, boars. Faster. All in. Let's go. Get cranking. Get going already.
Really would have liked to get them in there much faster. I wonder what exactly was taking them so long. I did see what looked like at least 2 artillery shells or mortars landing outside of the armored vehicles, so maybe that was a factor in delaying them, their ability to actually get inside.
My ear. Don't yell, my head hurts as it is. Come on, bro. Are we stuck? Add more gas. Shit, we're stuck in place. Did we throw a track? We gotta get out of this death trap. Let's walk. Get out, get out. Leave all your shit here. Take your individual weapons and go. Drop it, bro. I ain't leaving my MG3. We have a YA. Boars, crawl into the ditch.
For that round to land that close to the armored vehicle, they had to have been adjusting fire to the armored vehicle itself in just that short period of time. And whether the Russians believe that there's Ukrainians still inside there, that's definitely going to be a target for them that they want to try to hit. Therefore, you want to get as far away from that thing as you possibly can.
What's with him? Arms, legs. Radio out that our ride is dead. We have no transport. Piro, this is Chicago. Report in. Pyro, here. Boars is heavily wounded. M113 broke down. End of story. The other guys went without us. Please, Jesus, protect and save. Moroz, this is Pyro. Answer me. Is Moroz Is Moroz wounded? Yes. Boars too? Who else? Who else is wounded? Hector. Moroz is wounded. Baldy. And, guys, we need to move. Are you done with the tourniquets? Boars ain't walking anywhere. All his limbs are tattered. All of his limbs. Strip his armor off. Boars, you'll climb on my back. I'll carry you. Ready? Together on my mark.
For them to try to carry out a soldier here, what we saw is artillery rounds or mortar rounds landing approximately 300 to 400 meters away from the position that they're they're at right now in the direction that they want to move. Therefore, in order for them to get to what would be considered a position of relative safety in terms of where the Russians are actually trying to affect their fire or land these rounds, they would have to traverse that distance over what looks like vast open terrain to get out of where the Russians are actually actively trying to land these rounds.
What happened? What happened? Shit, my leg is kaput. Your leg? Bro, I'm done for. I am finished. Piro, no, put a tourniquet on and crawl. Bro, I can't crawl. Yes, you can. Baldy is crawling. Moros is crawling. You can crawl too. Come on, tourniquet on, soldier. My bone is broken. Okay, I'll...
Imagine trying to crawl over those sticks and limbs and roots and things like that. I mean, if you were actually crawling with very little ability to move your legs, it would be pretty terrible and pretty difficult to do. You see that this soldier here is on top of a litter, which is, you know, basically a movable gurney that they can pull. And this one looks like it's made out of plastic, which is great because it allows them kind of traverse over these sticks and roots and things like that rather easily, rather than some of them that are easily, you're able to stow them because they're made out of more of a cloth or material. But these ones are easily able to be moved along and traverse over difficult terrain.
Haul bores out and then return for you. Yes, Hector, please. Get going. Come back faster. Stay calm. Easy, easy. And don't do anything stupid like blowing yourself up with a grenade. Do you understand me? I do. Get going. Heck, where are you? Bores, I'm coming. Hector, shit, they're not letting us through with that shelling. Blasting at us from close distance. Is anybody alive out there? Answer me.
They did come back for the Ukrainian soldier whose GoPro footage we were watching, and he did survive. If you'd like to continue supporting this channel, you can do that by tapping on this photo. And if you want to watch another video, YouTube is recommending this video specifically for you.